Good morning, and also wish you a happy new year. Okay, so our last class, so we discussed arithmetic progression. Also, we have completed exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. What is the first term of AP? The first term of AP is A. The second term is what? A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. The first term is A. Second term is A plus D. So how you obtain the terms of the arithmetic progression? By adding a common difference to the preceding term. Adding the common difference to the preceding term. The first term is A. First term is A. To obtain the second term, you add D. A plus D. Second term is A plus D. Third term, how you get? Add D to the second term, you will get the third term. So that first term is A, second is A plus D, third is A plus 2D, fourth is A plus 3D. 50 is A plus 4D and so on. Nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the last term. So, the last term or nth term of AP equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the last term or nth term of AP. The last term and nth term of AP, L is equal to A, M is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I hope you clearly understood. Okay, so let us do some problems on this. Which term of AP? Find the 10th term. Find the 10th term of the AP by 1 minus 3 minus 7 so on. Here find the 10th term of AP. This sequence is in AP. This progression is in AP. 5 comma 1 comma minus 3 minus 7. This is AP. So let us write what is A. A is equal to first term is A. D common difference. D is equal to, you know that, A2 minus A1. The common difference is the difference between constituent terms. A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. So A2 minus A1. A2 is how much? 1 minus A1 is 5. So 1 minus 5 minus 4. D is equal to minus 4. D equal to minus 4. A is equal to 5. Here what asked here? 10th term. 10th term. 10th term is what? You know that A plus 9D. First term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D, fifth term is A plus 4D, seventh term is A plus 6D, 10th term is A plus 9D, 100th term is A plus 99D. How you got that? Use the nth term, AN. AN is equal, suppose you are able to tell the particular term, A10, 10th term, A10, A10 find out. We don't know A10, AN find out. AN is equal to formula A plus n minus 1 into D. We want A10. Put n is equal to 10. Put n is equal to 10. 10 minus 1 D. So A plus 10 minus 1 minus 9. So 10th term you can write. Without applying the formula also you can write directly. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. 10th term means A plus 9D. So now put the values. A value is 5. 9 D value is minus 4. 5, 9, 4 is 36. So minus 31. The 10th term is minus 31. Okay. I hope you clearly understood children. One more problem I will explain. Which term of AP? Which term of AP 21, 18, 15, so on is minus 81. Minus 81. Which term of AP? Here, which term of AP is, which term of the AP 21, 18, 15, so on is minus 8. The earlier problem we did 10th problem. Okay, 10th term. Here 21 given, 18 given. What are the terms of AP? 21, 18, 15, so on is minus which term of AP? The AP sequence is 21, 18, 15, so on is Which term of AP is minus 81? Minus 81 is which term? First term or second term or third term or fourth term? Which term it will be? Minus 81 which term? Let us assume that. So A is equal to first term is 21 and common difference find out. B is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 18 minus 21. So minus 3. D equal to how much? Minus 3. A is equal to 21. Now, which term of AP is minus 81? Minus 81 will be which term? Let us assume that. Let nth term. AN is equal to what? Minus 81. Minus 81 will be nth term. Which term minus 81? Let us assume that minus 81 will be the nth term. Let AN is equal to minus 81. AN formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into d equal to minus 81. What is A? 21. Plus n minus 1 d. D value is minus 3 equal to minus 81. Now 21 minus 3 into n minus 3n minus into minus plus 3 minus 3 equal to minus 81. Minus 81. Here minus 21 plus 3 24. Minus 3n equal to minus 81. Minus 3n is equal to minus 81 plus 24 shift right side minus 24. Minus 3n is equal to minus 81 minus 105 minus minus cancel. N is equal to 105 by 3. 3 3 are 3 5. N is equal to 35. So here n is equal to how much got 35. Which term will be the minus 81? N is equal to how much got 35. 35th term will be the minus 81. Therefore 35th term will be minus 81. Which term of 80 is minus 81? 35th term will be the minus 81. Like this we can find out. So here children, one more problem I will explain. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? I hope you clearly understood. I will erase this. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many 2-digit numbers divisible by 3? 2-digit numbers write down. 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 2-digit numbers start from 10. In the 2-digit number, what is the first 2-digit number divisible by 3? 12. 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers divisible by 3 are 2-digit numbers divisible by 3 are 12, 15, 18, 21, so on. The last 2-digit number is what? Last 2-digit number. The last 100. 100 is the 3-digit number. Last 2-digit number is 99. Is 99 divisible by 3? Yes. 99. Up to 99. Here, the numbers, 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3 are start from 12 up to last one 99. Last term is what? Last 2-digit number which is divisible by 3 is 99. Last time or another is the same. Just now I told you. So here this is AP. This is in AP. 15 minus 12 3. 18 minus 15 3. The common difference is same. Since common difference is same, it is in AP. It is in AP. A is equal to what? B is equal to A2 minus A1. 15 minus 12. The D is equal to 3. D equal to 3. A equal to 1. And last term, N is equal to AN. Last term or AN is how much? 99. The last term or AN formula is what? A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 99. Substitute the values. A is 12 plus N minus 1 into D is 3 is equal to 99. N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 99 plus 12. Flip right side minus 12. So N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 99 minus 12. 87. N minus 1 is equal to 87 by 3 becomes 5. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 9 ja. So N minus 1 is equal to 29. N is equal to 29 plus 1. N is equal to 30. So how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? 30. 30 2-digit numbers. 12 to 99, just count up. 12, 15, 18, 21, 3, 24, 24 plus 3, 27, 27 plus 3, 30, so on up to 99. There will be 30 2-digit numbers. How many? 30. The answer is what? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? 30 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3. Children, I hope we clearly understood. Okay. So, I will give you one more problem here. One more problem will explain, one more model. Determine the AP whose start time is 5, 7 time is 9. Determine the AP whose start time is 5 and seventh term is 9. Here what was given? The third term of AP is 5, seventh term of AP is 9 given. Determine the AP. AP means write the terms of the AP. Now, here third term. Third term is what? A3. A3 is equal to 5. Third term. The third term is represented by A3. So, A3 is equal to 5. What is A3? The first term is A, second term is A plus B, third term is A plus 2D. You know how to got A plus 2D. Formula is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We want what? A3. Put N is equal to 3 here. Put N is equal to 3 minus 1 D. A plus 3 minus 1 2D directly you can write. What is the third term? A plus 2D. Third term is A plus 2D. Directly you can write. Directly we can write, otherwise write the formula, substitute N is equal to 3, you will get the third term. In the nth term, write N is equal to 3, you will get the nth term, third term. So, the third term AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to third term is how much given? 5. Third term, N is equal to 3. A plus N is 3 minus 1, D is equal to 5. A 3 minus 1, D. So directly you can write A3, directly you can write how you got, just I showed here. Okay. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D is equal to 5. This is third term, N is equal to 3. A plus N 3 minus 1 D is equal to 3 minus 1 to D. So A3 means A plus 2D. A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 5. This first equation. Next, and seventh term is 9. Seventh term AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D is equal to seventh term is 9. Seventh term, put N is equal to 7. Put N is equal to 7 here. 7 minus 1 D equal to 9. So 7 minus 1, 6. The is equal to, instead of substituting value directly also you can write. What is the seventh term? A7 is a plus a3. A plus a3 is equal to 9. This is the second equation. By solving 192. By solving 192. First equation is what? A plus 2b is equal to 5. Second equation is a plus 6b is equal to 9. This is the second equation. Subtracting, change the signs, minus, minus, minus. Plus a minus a. Minus 6b plus 2d minus 4d is equal to minus 9 plus 5 minus 4. Minus minus cancel. D is equal to 4 by 4. D is equal to 1. D is equal to. Now substituting this. Substituting b equal to 1 in first equation. Substitute in the first equation. First equation is what? A plus 2d is equal to 5. A plus 2 into d value 1 is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 minus A is equal to. Write the AP. You know, write the AP. What is the first term? First term A1 is equal to A is equal to 3. Second term A2 is equal to A plus D, 3 plus 1, 4. Third term is A2 plus D, A2 is 4, D is 1, 5. A4 is A3 plus D, A3 is 5, D is 1, 6. So on. A5 is equal A4 plus D, A4 is 6 plus D is 1, so on you can write. So what is the first term? 3. Second term is 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, so on. This is AP. This is what? Like this you can write. I hope you clearly understood. Now, you try to do exercise 6.2. You have to complete exercise 6.2. Here I am writing. Exercise 6.2 problems. In A, D given, whatever the questions asked, those you find out. 1, 2. 1, 2 problems do it. 1, 2 problems. 1, 2 problems you complete it. Okay? The 1, 2 problems are related to which I explained now. Okay? I hope you clearly understood. Whatever I wrote on the board, exercise 6.2 1, 2 problems completed in the classroom. Okay? See you. Bye.
Next.